If you've tried every diet and the weight always comes back, you're not the problem. The system is. Most programs only treat the surface. True Weight Solutions focuses on what really matters, the underlying causes of weight gain, like hormone imbalance, insulin resistance, and chronic inflammation. This isn't a one-size-fits-all program. True Weight Solutions is personalized, data-driven, and led by trained healthcare providers who understand your unique metabolic profile. There are no stimulants, no extreme dieting, and no starvation. Just a proven safe system that supports your body's own ability to burn fat and restore balance. Thousands of people have used True Weight Solutions to lose weight, gain energy, and take control of their health, all without fad diets or unrealistic expectations. True Weight Solutions isn't just about weight loss, it's about metabolic healing that creates lasting change. Visit TrueWeightSolutions.com today to learn more and get started with a program that works with your body, not against it. And if you're a healthcare provider who wants to bring this life-changing system to your patients, we'd love to show you how. Visit our website. We're here to support you every step of the way.